Hello, my name is Jordan Casson and I am going to be showing you how to create a compound material in SWOOD Design. To begin, I am going to create a new material in my How to Make a Material folder. Once you have created a material, you will be ready to follow along with setting up a compound material. The compound material I am going to be creating will have a 2mm beech laminate as its top layer, followed by 3 layers of 3mm MDF, with another 2mm beech laminate as the bottom layer. To add the compound material layers, we must first set the material type to compound from the drop-down list. The material layers parameter will then appear, allowing you to add the required layers. Bring through the materials layer window by clicking the pencil symbol. This window is where the material layers can be configured. To add a layer, click the plus symbol. This will bring through your material library where you can select the material of your first layer. The order in which the layers appear on the left are the order of the compound layers from top to bottom. Once the first layer has been added, click the plus symbol again and browse for the next layer. If you have multiple layers of the same type, for example 3 layers of 3mm MDF, you can copy the layer by using the paper symbol in the middle of the window. Now that all of the core MDF layers have been added, I require another 2mm beech layer. As you can see, when I copy the beech layer, it appears at the wrong level. To reorder the compound material, select the layer which needs to move and use the arrows to move it through the layers. The layers have been configured, so now we are ready to input the core appearance. You can only have one core appearance for the model. However, later I will show how the layers are broken down. As you can see, when I apply the material, I have a top appearance of beech wood and a core appearance of MDF. When in the Edit Panel tool, SWOOD will show the layers of the compound in the stock graphic. These stock sizes can be used elsewhere in SWOOD, for example in the report. I will now demonstrate this by running a SWOOD report and bringing it on screen. If we look at the report I have generated, the detailed list will show the panel stock size broken down into its individual layers. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more, check out our YouTube channel and website.